सक्सेस के बाद का प्लान सबके पास है, लेकिन अगर गलती से फेल हो गए तो फेलियर से कैसे डील करना है, कोई बात ही नहीं करना चाहता।
Hello friends, it's good to see you all again. I hope you all are fine. Today we are discussing about Sushant Singh Rajput. You know, we lost a gem today. He was only 34 years and you are surprised to know that he is a mechanical engineer. But suddenly he committed suicide. I'm not sure whether that is suicide or it is a murder. But if it is suicide, it is really a big problem for us. So we are discussing about depression, and I will let you know few ways through which you can control your depression, because suicidal persons are doing suicide because of depression, because depression leads to suicide. Let's start the video. So point number 1 is avoid stress. There is considered to be a relationship between stress in a person's life and depression or anxiety. A variety of factors including work, education, family life or relationships can cause stress. It is important to try managing and addressing these stressful situations when they arise. Point number 2, exercise. Exercise offers a range of health benefits including helping prevent depression. Both high intensity and low intensity exercise is beneficial in the respect. High intensity exercise releases the good chemicals known as endorphins into the body. Low intensity exercise sustains over an extended period, helps release proteins called neurotrophic factors which improve brain function and make a person who is exercising feel better. Many people who are depressed have low motivation for exercise, so it is a good idea to start with 5 minutes of walking or doing an enjoyable activity and gradually increase the length of time over the coming days, weeks and months. Third point, diet. The brain needs the right mix of nutrients to function properly. Eating unsaturated foods by cooking with olive or grapeseed oil and adding nuts and seeds to the meals. Avoiding trans foods in processed meat, ready meals, cookies and cakes. Eating more whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Avoiding caffeinated drinks such as coffee and soda. Fourth point, sleep. Now, getting enough sleep has a significant impact on people's psychology and physically, and insomnia is associated with depression. Depression can also cause insomnia. But there are techniques people can try in order to get more sleep naturally. This include creating a bedtime routine, avoiding using electronic equipments before going to bed, spending 30 minutes doing a relaxation exercise or reading a book before trying to go to sleep. Point number 5, avoid alcohol and drugs. There is a close link between depression as well as anxiety disorders and alcohol or other substance use disorders. Around 20% of people who have depression also have an alcohol or drug disorder. For most people, moderate alcohol consumption is not a problem, but for people with depression, alcohol or drug can make their symptoms worse. Point number 6, try taking therapy. Taking therapies are sometimes found very useful with people in depression. A doctor or psychiatrist can help identify what kind of therapy may be most beneficial to an individual. Point number 7, avoid common triggers. As much as possible, a person should avoid triggers associated with the onset of their depression symptoms. This, of course, is not always simple, and in some cases, it can be impossible. For example, if a particular person or a group of people are a trigger, the individual will have a way on the advantages and disadvantages of avoiding them. A job could be a trigger. But leaving a job is not always possible. Any life-changing decision such as these need to be thoroughly thought out. However, the most important thing is that the individual identifies which triggered their depression. However, the most important thing is that an individual identifies what triggered their depression and works towards a way of managing and avoiding them as much as possible. So these are the common things. If we take care, we will definitely get out the situation of depression. Have a happy life. Enjoy your life.